Alright, thank you very much. My name is John. This is Scarlett the Barracuda, and the trunk is all clean and prepped and ready for the installation. So let's get to it. Okay, so I took my utility knife and I just cut the paper around the Dynamat and mocked it up in place. So according to the instructions, I pick a spot and I peel and press and it adheres. So that's what the whole point of doing all the cleaning was, so that it would have a good surface to adhere to. So I am going to do that and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so the first one is on. I'm going to try to do this one live, and if it doesn't work, I'll just edit it. But yeah, as you can see, hopefully the hold down for the jack is a little bit in the way, so I put a little slit in it and we'll give it a shot. So none of this has been rolled down, it's just on real light in case I need to maneuver it. Okay, hopefully you saw that okay when my arm wasn't too much in the way, but it's that simple. Start, peel, pull, lay it down, just keep it from sticking to each other, and hopefully the rest of this will go along all the same way, and hopefully the big piece in the middle isn't as troublesome as it might appear, because usually, you know, big long pieces of tape don't play too nicely, so hopefully we won't have that problem. But we'll find out and I'll let you know if I do. Okay, that actually went pretty decent. Not too bad at all. That is in, and so I got the big piece and the driver's side tail done. I got the stuff underneath the or on top of the axle to do, and the passenger. So I don't think there's going to be anything new, different, or exciting. So I will go ahead and do those. And then I'll show you one rolled down and pressed on firm, because right now they're just lightly tacked in place, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, Dynamat is in and lightly installed. I have to go through it with the rubber wheel, so hold on. I have to go through it with the rubber wheel, and that is just, you know, rubbing on it. So make sure that everything is adhered and we don't have any air bubbles or anything that way. The wrinkles, I don't know. They are what they are. I don't think it's bad for a first time install. If you're an expert, I'm sure you can do a whole lot better, but I think it was fairly easy to do, and for a first time install, I'm pretty proud of myself. So I'm going to go through and rub this down. All right, P.S. I forgot to do the tape. So I have now put the tape all the way around to hold the butyl in place, and she is done. So she's done. So thank you very much for your time and watching on this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. And by the way, I bought everything here. Dynamat is not a sponsor. I don't have any sponsors, so everything is hashtag not sponsored, but it looked like a good product. It seemed reasonable. I liked that it was all pre-cut, so I went with it. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.